Welcome to our video tutorial for the diagram function with the new updates from Copilot4DevOps V6. In this video, we will cover how to create diagrams and models from your textual requirements. You can add your prompts and instructions on how you want this diagram to be built out. You can add very simple instructions, or you can provide detailed instructions and prompts to build out your model. You can also select a single work item or multiple work items as part of your input. We have a rewrite prompt option here, which really helps close the gap between beginner-level users to prompt engineering and more advanced level users. This will rewrite your prompt and instructions to make them more consumable for Copilot. In V6 of Copilot, you'll also have the ability to upload files as part of your input as well. This could be documents or diagrams imported from other tools. You can either use the file upload to provide context to the model you want to build, or use it to re-render a legacy model into DevOps. Another new addition to V6 of Copilot is the chat feature embedded into the diagram module to help make updates and changes to the diagram more effectively. Whether you need to elaborate on a certain process, add additional nodes and flows, or specific remodeling, this can all be done through simple textual instructions in the chat window. These diagrams can be published back into DevOps as work items, or exported directly onto Word, PDF, or as an image. This brings us to the end of the video on the diagram function. Be sure to check out all of our other videos on Copilot for DevOps.